If you're seeing an itch.io API error 400, don't worry. This is usually a fixable issue, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest steps to get things working again. Whether you're trying to access an itch.io page, use an embedded feature, or connect through a browser session, error 400 often points to a request problem, a bad URL, cache data, or a connection issue. So stay with me, because we're going to go through the simplest fixes first and work our way through the most effective ones. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's start with the first and easiest step. Refresh the page. Sometimes the error is temporary, and a simple reload can clear it right away. If that doesn't work, take a close look at the URL. Make sure the address is entered correctly, with no extra characters, missing symbols, or broken links. A small typo can trigger a 400 error instantly. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old saved data can conflict with the current request and cause the site to return an error. After clearing the cache and cookies, close your browser completely, open it again, and try loading itch.io one more time. This single step solves a lot of strange browser-related issues. If you're still getting the error, log out and log back in again. Sometimes your session becomes outdated or corrupted, and re-authenticating can reset the connection properly. After that, check whether you're using a VPN. In some cases, VPN traffic can interfere with how itch.io processes requests, so turn it off temporarily and test again. Another useful fix is trying a different browser. If the issue only happens in one browser, that usually tells you the problem is tied to browser settings, extensions, or stored data. Switching to another browser, like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari, can help you confirm that quickly. While you're at it, also check your internet connection. A weak, unstable, or interrupted connection can cause requests to fail before they fully reach the server. So to recap, the best steps to fix itch.io API error 400 are refresh the page, verify the URL, clear your cache and cookies, log out and back in, disable your VPN, try another browser, and confirm your internet connection is stable. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue without needing anything advanced. If this tutorial helped you fix the error, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.